Holding off.
All right, yes. You guys want to know more about our dogs? Okay, yes. Let me tell you some cool facts about them. Dogs performing here today, as you can see, are poodles. Poodles are one of the most intelligent dog breeds. They're originally from France, and they were bred to hunt. That's why they can run up to 35 miles an hour and jump up there. Woo! Since poodles are such great performing dogs, they tend to get bored very easily. They're very intelligent. But that's where we come in. For the past 10 years, we've been traveling the country looking for new stars for our show. We've taken dogs who need a second chance and turn them into stars. When a new dog joins our family, we let them play with Gina and Rio, who are our oldest veteran dogs. During that play date, we look for the dog's natural abilities and turn those abilities into amazing tricks.
Speaking of natural abilities, here is Nala. Nala is a black and white border collie. We found Nala in Dallas, Texas. The owner was forced to sell her because she received so many complaints from the neighbors.
That is right. You know, when we found Nala, folks, she was jumping a 6-foot fence into the neighbor's yard and stealing all of their chickens. She's a big fan of KFC, what can we say? You might think this behavior is a bit naughty, but we saw the great potential in Nala and didn't think twice about adopting her. Now it's time for Nala to show off her natural great abilities that we've worked with. Yeah! Give it up for Nala, y'all. I'll tell you what. Do you want to see Nala go higher? You guys want to see Nala go higher? Me too, she can do it. So we gotta get ready first. First I gotta put this up here, right here, right, okay.
Okay, Nala, let's get ready.
Let's get Nala ready. Okay, yes.
Okay, we're ready.
She looks ready to me. I'm gonna need you guys to help me with this, okay? We're gonna cheer Nala and give her some strength. Everybody cheer with me. We're gonna say, go, Nala, go. Repeat. Go, Nala, go. Go, Nala, go. Go, Nala, go. Go, Nala, yeah! Give it up for Nala. Isn't she awesome? Now, our next guest is the beautiful, is the spectacular, is the gorgeous, is the fabulous. Let me introduce you guys to Maryland. Now, Maryland is a black and white terrier. Look at her, isn't she fabulous? Now, Maryland enjoys parties, and of course, showing off her impeccable style. Isn't she lovely, folks? Let's give it up to Maryland. Now, these are the best dogs we could ever ask for, folks. Every night after the show, we give them love and affection. It doesn't matter where they come from, what color they are, or what shape they are. It's important we always treat them as family. That's why we invite you guys to go to your local shelters and adopt. You never know. You may have a star in your home. But I think we've talked enough. I think it's time we officially start this show. What do you guys say? Yeah? You guys ready to start the show? Me too. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a countdown from 10. I'll start it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start this here show, y'all. Let's
as a newest member. He loves to do everything backwards.
Whackbirds. Give it up for Todd. Okay, y'all. Now this next trick is a good one. It's very challenging. We're going to bring back our diva dog, Marilyn. She will attempt to jump these hurdles using only her hind legs. Now they don't look too big to us, but to her, these are about half her size. So it's a big challenge. We've been working on this in rehearsal. She's been doing better and better. Do you guys think she can do it live? Me too, me too. I think she can. Let's see if she can. Let's see. Now, if she does this, we need to give her a lot of love and reward her to let her know she's doing a good job. First hurdle, here we go. Yes! Second, third, yeah! Yes.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Y'all. Now before we get to our grand finale and our last trick, a couple of announcements. Right after the show we have photos. That's where you guys get to come in, pet our dogs, let them know what a good job they did, and take a photo home with you guys. Second thing you'll notice, we have these shirts hanging right here.